Hello and welcome to Student Block in this series of Terraform training sessions. Today we'll be looking at installing Visual Studio Code and Notepad++. So will be using Visual Studio Code for most of the time to write the code. As I said, Visual Studio Code is the best one for the beginners and even for whoever it is using it. So if you install the Terraform plugin, if you add on the Terraform plugin in Visual Studio Code, it will help you with the syntax. So that is the reason I use it. And so we are discussing about the in my previous video we were looking at the Terraform installation. We already discussed about this, based on your operating system will be downloading the Terraform installer or Terraform file. So for Windows will be like two ways we can install. One is using Chocolatey, and one is downloading the file and configuring the registry. So Chocolatey is for the people who practice using the Chocolatey. Not only Terraform, we can install a lot of applications. It will make pretty simple using the one command. It will install whatever you want. Simply you need to install the Chocolatey ones, then install no, then it's simply you need to, for example, you need to install Terraform, then go to command prompt and run Chocolatey install Terraform. Then it will take care of installing and even adding the a variable key to the to the environment variables. Everything it will take care. Pretty simple, but production I don't recommend. But yeah, for non-prod you can use Chocolatey to install the Terraform or Visual Studio Code or even Notepad++. Simple one command will take care of everything. So if you are using a Linux operating system, then you need to get the Linux binary from the Terraform, and you need to use this you need to come use this and for Mac, as I said, you need to download the binary for Mac. So regarding the installation of Visual Studio Code, we need to go to code.visualstudio.com and download the executable on the Windows, and we'll install it. So let's go to our server and do this. Pretty simple, and even I think there is a video on this where using the Chocolatey you can install Terraform. I done it long back, I will put it in the in my in the notes where you can go to that video and you can see how to install Terraform using the Chocolatey. So for now we'll do it manually. So this is the site, and you need to click on download for Windows. So already downloaded it, and this is the code setup file, and you need to right click and run as administrator. I always prefer to do it, so we don't need this anymore. So install is not meant to be run as administrator. That's fine, we'll do it normally. Okay, so just next finish, nothing much. mm, okay, okay, that's fine. Install it. Now it is getting installed. Meanwhile we look at Notepad++. Let's complete this one first. Honestly, we don't need a Notepad++, but sometimes we may need to use that one. That is the reason I'm just installing it. Okay, so Notepad++ is done. And So this is Visual Studio Code, and we'll be doing most of the time you'll be looking at this screen only when we work. So like extensions we are talking about. We need to add Terraform extension so that it will give the it will help us in writing the code or syntax. So now it is added here, you can see it here. So now it is added. So whatever required, like even if you are working on Azure CLI, or you are working on AWS or PowerShell, anything, you can add on the same here. Once you add it, whenever you are writing the any syntax, it will help you with the syntax. So this is what we are talking about, and in our upcoming videos we'll start working on now our environment is ready for practical sessions. Then we are good now. So yeah, we are done with our training for this video, and next video we'll start working on the labs. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, and also as always please do reach out to me if you have any queries on vstudentblog@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye bye.